What's good, people? What's good, people? What's going on? How is everybody doing? This Harlem, and I'm back again with another video. This is a new year. This is gonna be my first video, which I'm gonna be recording. This video gonna be strictly raw. Everything that I'll be breaking down and everything that I'll be working on, it's gonna be something that will be strictly raw. No edit, no analysis, no pre-planning, or no rehearsal before I had to drop this video. So without further ado, I guess and I pray that you all guys are prepared for the new year. You're consistent, you're healthy, you're wealthy, you're productive, you're just showing up and you're doing what you're supposed to. I'm doing it, and I bet you are doing it. So never mind the noises that you guys will be hearing outside or in my background. People are still, people are still around. People are still around. There's nothing for me to do. Can't stop them from having fun. They can't stop me from being productive and consistent in your phone. But all we can manage to do is to just bear with me and just keep focus on my voice. Never mind the background. So on today's video, it's gonna be why, or I will simply say why I use 3 time frames to confirm my entries or to trade any setup. I repeat, why I use 3 time frames to confirm my setups or to trade my analysis. You understand me? There's gonna be a raw video. I didn't rehearse this video and I've never planned it before. Like you guys know in my previous videos that I always said it's the daily, it's the 4 hour and the hourly, right? It's nothing new, it's nothing fancy, right? So I will explain and I will break down and I will be strictly open and make someone understand this video. Without better ado, let's just hop in. Let's continue to trust the process. You feel me? So, like you guys know what I always work on, right? I always work on the NASDAQ is like NASDAQ is my wife. You understand me? I can't be without NASDAQ. I can't be without NASDAQ. So we're going to start on the daily. The daily time frame is the first and the most important time frame which I use, right? So I will just be open and strictly and just use what I see, right? So let's work on two current price candlesticks. This candlestick, yesterday's candlestick, and today's candlestick, right? So we can tell that like prices moving in a sideways movement, right? This is not new, this is not fancy. So obviously with price moving sideways, we can tell that like this candlestick opened bullish, right? This candlestick opened bullish and did what? And ended up trading bearish. Understand me? So from this candlestick opening bullish and trading bearish and closing bearish, tapping on this zone, rejecting this very same zone. You can tell where it rejected. It rejected once, twice, third time, broke out, broke back in, rejected the fourth time and the fifth time. Understand me? So once I have this in the back of my mind yesterday, understand this is what happened yesterday, waking up today to see what happened yesterday. How did the bearish candlestick close? It closed bearish, but it didn't close below our correction, or it didn't close full. But all we can say is it rejected what? Our intraday support zone. So looking at the 4 hour, because I now have what I was looking for, right? Price did what? Did close bearish, right? So looking at this, you can tell that like on the third, where's the first candlestick? Yeah, this candlestick. Price did what? Price, boom, had this bearish candlestick and continued bullish, breaking out of our what? Of our correction, reacting from what? From this previous high. You understand me? So once price reacted from this previous high and rejected the very same high and closed bearish inside our what? Inside our correction. All I can say is now all you could be looking for is for price to continue bearish and take profit on our what? On our support. So when this candlestick rejected, this was a rejection candlestick. So once this candlestick rejects, right? Remember that like on the daily time frame, price closed fully bearish, right? Price closed bearish but rejected the zone. So obviously with this rejection candle, when this candlestick rejected like previous candlesticks did reject, All I can say is I was looking forward for being bullish. I even told my homie yesterday, I was like, yo, bro, the next gonna be bullish, but this is not my time to trade. I think it was 8 p.m. It was 8 p.m. at that time, and I don't trade at that time unless we're trading FOMC. So obviously, when this candlestick rejected, that was it. All I could be looking for was what? Continuation to the upside, because we bullish on support, we bearish on resistance, right? So hopping down to the hourly time frame. So when we now know that like the candlestick, our previous candlestick rejected right there, you understand me? So remember, guys, remember, yesterday's candlestick closed bearish, but did what? But it rejected our support zone. You understand me? The 4 hour also rejected the candlestick. We had a rejection candle and the coming candle closing what? Closing bullish. Understand this candlestick. We have a rejection candle, price rejected, and we have a bullish close confirming what? Bullish continuations, right? So obviously, once I have a daily candle close, a daily bearish candle close with a rejection of our support, having a bear rejection on the 4 hour, and another candlestick closing bullish. The first bearish candlestick rejected the support. The second candlestick bounced off support. You understand me? So all I'll be looking for today when I wake up, all I'll be looking for today when I wake up is to say, obviously, when I wake up at 5 a.m. Yeah, 5 a.m. when I wake up, okay, I can tell the like price that react from my what? From our support zone and push to the downside and push to the upside. You understand me? So obviously with a push, we know we need an exhaustion before you can confirm what? A continuation push. But we had a one candlestick, which was our exhaustion, and price continued to the upside. You understand me? So all I'd be looking for from the hourly time frame, that's to where I'll be executing, why I might be executing, and for how long I would be holding that trade. You understand me? So in this instance, right, if price did have a push and had an exhaustion phase from this zone, I'm just trying to show you where I could have been bullish today from this zone, right? So if price could have pushed and exhausted right there with a potential double bottom, I could have looked for continuation to the downside. You understand me? So let me explain this once again. On the daily candle, on the daily time frame, I'm looking for what? For either a bullish candle or a bearish candle. And where that candlestick closed, did we either close above or did we either close below? From the 4 hour, I'm looking for what? I'm looking for the structure. How did it move? You understand? Did we have impulsive bullish candlesticks breaking that zone or closing above that zone? Did we have bearish candlestick breaking that zone? Did we have pin bars? Did we have rejections? Did we have this? Did we have that? You understand me? And on the hourly time frame, I'm strictly looking for my patterns and for my what? For my confirmations, right? In this instance, if I was looking to be bullish right there, I could have at least did what? Waited for some sort of what? A pattern. We're either going to look for what? For a double bottom or what? A bullish flag, some type of inverse head and shoulders on our smaller time frames, or what? Or some sort of a falling wedge. You understand me? So those are some patterns which I'll be looking for. You understand me? But in this instance, there's nothing for me to say, or there's nothing for me to do from the hourly time frame. I wouldn't take trades until I find a confirmation. And guys, today it's Wednesday. I don't trade on Wednesdays. That's why price is moving like this. You guys understand? I don't trade on Wednesdays, understand? Because I know most of the time it be doing some BS, and I'm not in the mood to taking some BS, understand me? So I repeat, guys, I repeat. On the daily time frame, we have a bearish close with price rejecting what? Our resistance, our support zone. That's one confirmation to why am I looking to be bullish. Looking at the 4 hour, I can see that obviously price did reject the zone, but what happened after price rejected? We had a bullish candle close. We had what? A bullish candle close. That's two, right? The first one is a bullish close, is a bear close, but rejecting our support zone. The second is what? It's a bear close and a bullish close, failing to break our support zone. The third one is the hourly time frame. Understand me? From the hourly time frame, I'm looking for what? I'm looking for my patterns. I'm looking for my candlesticks. I'm looking for my pin bars. I'm looking for my rejections. I'm looking for my close above. I'm looking for my higher highs and my higher lows, my lower lows and my lower highs. And that's it. Apart from that, there's nothing that I'd be looking for. You understand me? Guys, this is 2023. Please don't complicate your trading. Stop looking for the holy grail. Stop looking for the quickest way or the fastest way to make profit. This is not gambling, guys. This is Forex, understand me? This is a business. This is investments, you understand me? There's emotions running around. There's confidence running around, discipline running around, patience running around, consistency running around, persistency running around. Believe in positivity, you understand me? You can't come in this industry to just fuck us up for the sake of you having to be what? Of you having to be a Forex trader. Fuck that shit, man. Here we are consistent. We put in work, we put in time, and we make sacrifices, you understand me? Like I say, guys, like I say, I repeat for the last time. I'm looking for the daily candlestick. Where did the candlestick close? On the 4 hour, why did the candlestick close like that? On the hourly, where are we potentially going for the day? And that's it. That's it. This is not complicating. This is not easy. This is not hard. But I believe that if you can apply these rules the way I apply them, you will see change and you will see difference in your trading. This is your boy Harlem. This is going to be the first video I'll be uploading in 2023. I'm so excited. I'm so in the mood. And I know that you guys probably miss me. And please forgive me, people. Please forgive me for not having to have uploaded my weekly outlook. Please forgive me for that. I'll be back on weekend on my outlook. It's gonna be fire. It's gonna be great. We're gonna put in work. That's all I got on this video. That's all I got on this video.